Digital retailing has changed car buying forever, and face-to-face transactions may soon go the way of the dinosaur. However, your CRM is the heart of the dealership and a critical tool for connecting you. This workshop will help you unlock your CRM tools to optimize performance. I work with all of the significant CRMs and will be sharing tips and techniques specific to these tools. I will provide a roadmap for correct structuring of your database in this session. The best practices help dealers bring process, accountability, and it will improve results. My session will be an advanced training session geared towards a dealer's profound understanding of their CRM and integrating it into the sales process. The first step in a CRM is organization. We will address what that database should look like and how to properly organize them. With your database organized, you'll have more accurate reporting and can now address common issues in the CRM. For example, what is your actual two-way contact ratio? What are your active tasks and are they relevant, or are they just generating more overdues? How involved are your managers? Are your opportunity ratios in line? And many more. After the session, the attendees will be able to return to their dealership and implement changes that will positively impact their daily operations. For 18 years in this space, my goal has been to provide dealers with simple solutions that produce results. I'm looking forward to seeing you in my session.